Okay, let's dive into a simple trick that can bring your dead electronics back to life.
You know those devices that just die on you? Well, what if they're not really broken?
Truth is, perfectly good electronics get tossed out every day, and it's usually just the battery.
So an engineer named Daniel Hayes saw this firsthand for over a decade in the recycling biz.
He saw piles of so-called junk, but they weren't broken. They looked almost brand new.
And then it hit him. The only thing wrong with them was a dead battery.
Now, this isn't just about waste. Think about what it's costing your family's wallet.
A new car battery? That's going to set you back about $150.
Need a new laptop battery? Yep, that's another $120 out the door.
And when you add in phones and power tools, man, those costs really start to stack up.
It all adds up to nearly $500 or even more every single year.
Think about it. Over 10 years, that's easily $8,000 just on batteries.
But what if you could stop all that? It's called battery reconditioning, and it's super simple.
You literally just need a few things you already have at home. Seriously, anyone can do this.
And this works on all kinds of stuff. Car batteries, laptops, power tools, you name it.
And check this out. Thousands of families are already saving a ton of money doing this.
Take John from Ohio. He brought a dead car battery back to life and saved himself big bucks. Or Mark from Florida. He revived his cordless drill and it felt brand new, for free.
Robert in Michigan saved hundreds on his lawnmower and garden tools, all in one afternoon.
And get this, Max from California has saved over $1,200 already? Wow!
See, this is about way more than money. It's about taking back control.
You get to break that cycle of just buying, trashing, and replacing everything all the time.
So let's recap. Most dead devices aren't broken and you can easily fix the batteries.
Which really makes you think, what could your family do with an extra $8,000?
Because now, the power to fix your stuff and save a ton of money is in your hands.